Hi, this is Raihan. In this video, you can see the workflow AI agent on the mail that may take a mail from the website and then classify the mail to custom categorize the mail, and it will be take a level which is customer support, and AI agent will be the reply, and after that it will be the reply on that mail. And second is customer support, and it will send you the mail on different team, which whatever it is, Slack or WhatsApp, Telegram, or anything you can add here. And high priority if you need to reply the message, and it will be the reply and create a draft so that you can see the exact same theme that you want to reply that one. And you can see you can reply the message, it will be just draft, and after that you can send to confirm. And the last one is a promotional. If you is it important or not, if is it important, then you can go ahead to reply, or if is it not important, it will be automatically marked as a read. Okay, so let's go to the canvas how you can make the process and how you can make the AI automation this one. Okay, now first of all you have to click here Gmail trigger, and you can see the Gmail trigger, and which is on message received. So if you can get any message mail on your inbox, then it will, then this mail will be trigger, automatically trigger. Okay, so you have to connect the Google credential. I watched previous the video, so you can check my YouTube channel, you can see. And every minute it will be trigger, and message received, everything is clear. Fetch the receiving data. So as you can see, one item is available, which is I send you the mail. This is the mail. Okay, so if I delete this one, then you can see that there is no data over here. So first of all, I make this text from the ChatGPT, that this is support team member, and this is I need subject and a body. Okay, control C and subject, and paste here for the mail so that you can fetch the data. This is the mail. And if I fetch the data, then you can see the exact one item that I publish the video, mail. So what the next, if I show you the exact breakdown what we are doing here. First of all, we need to add a trigger, which is Gmail trigger, this one. And then we have to AI agent that will classify the mail, um, which is support related mail, and which is categorize the mail, prioritize billing and information, and priority, high priority, and promotional. if it is uh, if it is high priority option, then it will be create a level, and then it will be select the level. AI agent will be give you the LLM model and chat model, then it will be reply the that mail. Okay, and if add a level everywhere, I have to add the level, and then create draft, and create draft, or whatever is it, we will show you the different section how you can create the mail option. Okay, so this is the process we have to do. So we have to click here for search here text classifier, that will be classify the text, categorize the text. What type of mail is this? This is category based, this is customer support, or whatever it is. Okay, so we have to text classifier. This one is a body, uh, subject and body, subject and body. This is body, and this is subject. Where is the subject? And this is the subject. Okay, so paste here subject and body. Yep, this is subject and this is body. And select add a category, that we need to paste here the categorize, and we make this option, we make definition from the Google, from the chat GPT. You can make it customer support, finances, billing, high priority, and promotional. Custom and support, and paste here the categorize, and this is the custom, and this is just categorized that it will be if this that mail was match this category, then it will be know that this mail from that level, so it will be reply that go up, workflow will be executed for that message, for this process. Okay, so this is the customer support, and I have to add everything like this. So I have done everything very well. Categorize support team, customer support, finance and billing, high priority and promotional. Okay, so if I fetch the data, then you can see I have to add a chat model. Now I will use the chat model, which is Google Gemini chat model. Okay, Google Gemini chat model, and if I execute the run flow, you can see this is the customer, it will be go the customer support. Okay, this is, it will be go to the customer support. Yep, this is the customer support that you can see this appointment schedule, and this is the appointment schedule customer support related mail. So it will be go the customer support related. So now what can do now, you have to create a add level. We make a level from here that you can create anything or whatever it is, and I created this one first. So add a level that will be categorize the mail, Gmail. Add a level. Where is the add a level draft? No. Add a level. Yep. Trade ID. No. I just show the add a level. Yep, add a level to the message, and you can see the message ID. We have to give here the message ID, where you can get the message ID, mail, trigger, and this is the message ID. And you need to create, select here the category. What is the category? This category is support related category, support, customer support related category. Okay, so level, everything is clear. Now if I execute the workflow, then you can see the the label was had done on the mail. So reload the mail, and you can see the customer support has been added on the mail. Okay, so what next? Now we have to select here for the AI agent that this mail will be automatically applied to that mail. Okay, AI agent, and defined value, and we have to give here the subject and body. So what is the subject, and click here for the window, big window, and paste here the subject. Where is the subject? You can see here the subject, and this is the body, and where is the subject? This is the subject. Okay, so now we have to give here the system from that what type of work it will do, this AI agent. Okay, so this automatically here use the helping as helpful assistant. Now we have to give here the prompt that can do this workflow. Okay, so go to the chat gpt, and or whatever it is, do you have chat gpt? I have the same premium subscription on chat gpt, that's why I just ask here. So this is the prompt that can you please create a consist sequence as system prompt of markdown codes window. This for expert assistant that AI automated society, and this isn't Raihan assistant, and it will always sign up email Raihan's assistant. Okay, it's a friendly and assistant response to user, okay, queries information, and if you don't find any answer or something, it will reach out the mail. This is the customer support you have to paste here. Okay, so we just send the mail that you can get a system from, and paste here the on AI chat model. Okay, this is the system from that we can copy this system from and paste here for the big window system from, and paste here. This is the response, and you are the helpful Ryan assistant, expert, friendly, careful, and everything responsibility, response accurately, not guess answer, and communication be concern complete, and everything AI assistant. Okay, so this is the result. Then this mail will be give you the reply, and you have to give here the chat model. We can use here chat model is Google Gemini. Yep, Google Gemini chat model. No need to add memory here, and go to the click here for mail. Sorry, and now if I execute this workflow, then you can see it will be write a mail, the subject appointment schedule request, dear customer, if table JSON, appointment schedule, subject dear customer name, if known other it will guarantee like virtual a customer thankful reaching out everything. This AI chat model was write down this mail. Okay, so you need to click here for Gmail mail, mail reply. It will be reply the mail on that mail. Okay, reply to a mail and message ID, third ID, message ID. We can paste here the message ID, where you can see get the message ID and message trigger. This is the message ID, and text message. And what is the text message? Oh, sorry, this is not. You can see the message ID here and paste it message ID and message. What will reply the message? This is the output, and we will give here the mail message. Okay, so if I run this workflow, then you can see this workflow has been sent you the mail to the sender. Okay, so you can see this is the customer support and sign up, and you can see the two which is replied, and this is the subject appointment schedule, customer name, reach out, everything. Okay, so as you can see everything is clear, that AI workflow this reply the message automatically. Okay, so go to the second option, which is finance and billing. Okay, so if I search if I copy this incorrect mail and paste here, you can see I mail him on my mail that this is this is relevant to finance and billing. Now you have to add a label, then go to the next option. So okay, finance and billing, add label, gmail add label, add a label. Yep, this is the add label. And what is the message ID? This is the message ID, paste it here, and message ID our label, and select here the categorize that this is the finance and billing, finance and billing, categorize. And you can see this is the finance and billing, and add a label. Yep, add label, add label. Is this add label? Yep, this is add label. So execute if I execute the workflow, then you can see this mail will be go here the execution level done, finance and billing related. Okay, so you can see the information is accurately come here to the importance, and everything is clear. Now if I go to the next option, this is incorrect invoice. Yep, everything is clear. Okay, you can click here for the send message. It can be Slack, it could be WhatsApp, or it could be Telegram, or it could be Messenger, Facebook, whatever it is. You can send the message on your different tier categories team. I need to click here crystal clear is which is Gmail, and send you the mail on your Gmail. Create a mail. Okay, what is the send a message, and paste here the message ID and email where you want to send the mail. Okay, I want to send a mail on my different mail. Okay, and what do you want to give here the subject and text here. You can give here the message that if I click here the work execution workflow, so this is the different mail, and you can see this workflow has been triggered, and mail can be added, and we have to paste here the mail. What is the message we can send to the relevant team member. Okay, so we can hear hey billing team. So hey billing team, you. Okay, what I can give here, this is the subject. Okay, so this is the mail, and this is the subject, and everything is clear. So if you have to add a option so that this app and n8n is off, otherwise it will be give you the reply automatically n8n submitted or whatever it is. Okay, let me show you how it show. Okay, so execute the workflow, then you can get a, you can receive a mail. This is the ad level, correct, incorrect, and you can get send a mail on the, if I go to the mail, you can see the we can get a mail from this website, and that mail which is this is, I got a mail, and this is the information, this is the mail, and time is this one, and the subject of the incorrect invoice information, and I am talking this information, this email is sent automatically. So if you want to turn off this one, we have to go to the workflow and click here, and add a append, and turn off this one. Then after that it won't be show you, send you the reply. Okay, at the same way, you have to give here the high priority, add a level, and priority promotional. So copy this one and paste here, copy this and paste here, and paste here, and link up this and link this one. Okay, so and we have to select here the id, and this is the id, and we have to give here the level name, which is the which is a high priority. Yep, this is the high priority mail, and last one is this one, and this is the not high priority, this is promotional. Okay, promotional, yes, this is promotional mail. And if I run the execution, first of all we have to send at the mail, you can say we send a mail, emergency support, and this is the high priority mail. And if I run the execution, and then you can get a mail on high priority, which is execution. And if I reload this mail, then you can get a add a level, which is high priority. Okay, this is high priority, and you have to give here add a chat model that can send a mail, create a draft, so that you can verify the text, and after that you can send the mail. Okay, so define a model and subject, and we have to give here the subject body, this is subject, and this is body, snippet means body. Okay, so we have to give here the system model, system message, that what can do this message. Okay, now we can write a can you make another chat model, just who can instant reply, and it will be instead, or it will be shown message, and it not friendly, it's just a rude message. Okay, so you can get a system from the chat gpt. Yes, we got a system from that, we can paste here on ai chat model. Okay, system message, and paste here for the mail. Okay, this is the system message, that what can do this mail if you get any high priority message. Okay, paste here, and add a chat model, then we can add this chat model on the gemini, google gemini chat model, and no need memory and tool. Okay, now we can create here the draft mail, and then we can create a draft mail, and draft mail create hello, you can paste here the test, subject only show, it's not very much important, and text message, yes, and message thread, you have to give here the thread id, thread id, what is the thread id over here, we have to paste here the thread id, where you can get the thread id, this is the thread id. Okay, paste here the thread id, and message, message, what you can, oh, it's not showing because of we are not sending the mail, high priority, yes, this is the high priority mail, and execute the workflow. Now we can get a mail, thread id, yes, this is the thread id is colorful now, and message, system message, paste here the system message. Okay, and we have to now if I run the workflow, now you can get a draft message on the mail. Okay, so reload this mail. Yes, it is still working, and reload this mail, then uh, you can get a high priority system draft message. Okay, this is the draft message, that you can see the message, then you can send here the manually. Okay, this is the system draft message, but now you cannot send the message because we did not send you say add a mail here where you can send you the mail. Okay, so you have to add a option, and paste it, send a reply to, and where you can reply the mail, you have to give here the mail on that, from where you can get this mail. Okay, paste here, paste here. Yep, Why it's not working? Yep, it's now it's working. Sorry, we did wrong. Which is we have to select here to mail. Okay, to mail. No reply to mail. To mail. And what we have to select here? We have to select here the exact mail which we want to send from, and subject this is the from, and paste here this is from. And if I execute the workflow now, now you can get a mail. Delete this. This we delete this draft, and execute the workflow again, and you can get a high priority message and go to the chat model, and after that it will send you go to the created draft mail. Okay, so you can get a created draft mail. Yes, this is the created draft mail. Reload this mail, and high priority, now you can send to that mail. Okay, so this is the exact way how you can send the mail. Okay, and the last option is the level, high priority level, promotional message. So if you can get a promotional message, so it's not important, so you can add a mail, gmail, which is mark as a read. Okay, mark as a read. So if you can send here the message id, and this is the message id. This is the message id. What is the message id? Message id, mark as a read. Okay, mark as a read. So copy this promotional. Now you can get a mail which is promotional mail. If I work execute the workflow, and if I execute the workflow, and click here for the run workflow, and text classifier, and go to the promotional, and get a mess item, and paste here, get a item, mark as a read, and execute the workflow. Now you can see the this mail is now is unread, and reload this one. This is promotional, and this is unread, so it's not important that, so that's why you can mark as a unread. So this is the way how you can make a AI agent for your inbox manager. How I use on my mail to categorize my mail. Okay,